In front of God, we all are equally wise and equally foolish. One of the most notable personalities in India, the man who was a jurist, social reformer, economist, and prominent politician who worked against the social discrimination in India and fought for the emancipation of Dalit community. Bharat Ratna, Bharat ke Mahamaanav, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was a galvanizing political leader who headed the committee drafting the Constitution of India from the Constituent Assembly debates, served as a law and a justice minister in the first cabinet of Jawaharlal Nehru. Also established an India of equal, a country which provides great opportunities for people who are historically disadvantaged. Here are some of the brilliant lessons from him which would help every individual to understand the importance of education equality and how to treat people well. Number 1, be educated, be organized, and be ziddi. Education is utmost crucial for each individual, and we must not let anything or anyone come in the way to educate oneself. Dr. BR Ambedkar was first ever person from a disadvantaged segment to finish the college and never stopped himself from anybody to pursue his education. Lesson 2. Life should be great rather than long. Each one of us has temporary existence and have one life to live, and what we make of this life defines our path and purpose. We must live our life with a purpose, responsibility which would help our country to grow, and also many other individuals to live their life with an aim without interrupting in others' life. Lesson number 3. Don't live to look good, live to be good. We must focus on developing our personalities rather than focusing on how one looks and how one appears. We must known for our work and not by the looks. Good deeds is required to make a person successful. As an entrepreneur, what I've learned the best from Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is keep your team happy. Ensure that they're educating well. Treat them equally, give them equal opportunities, equal chances to prove themselves, because everyone deserves this. Do not discriminate anyone ever. Does equality run in blood of your organization? Question yourself.